Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a raccoon, so let's get started. So the colors you'll need are black, gray, light blue, pink, yellow, and green. And a pencil and the eraser just in case if you need to erase. And don't forget to subscribe, so let's get started. So first we'll draw the head. So first do a curve like that. Then draw a zigzag like that, and do a curve at the bottom. Then do a zigzag like that, and then draw the eyes like that, and draw two little circles inside and color them in. And then draw the eyelashes. And then draw the nose like that, and then color that in. And then draw the little mouth like that, and a little tongue. And raccoons have this spot in their eyes, so draw a little U shape like that, and do the same on the other side. And here, draw that like that, because they have another spot there, like that. And now we're gonna draw the ears, and they're gonna be connected to this spot. So do a curve like that, and then draw another curve like that. And then do that, and then draw another little curve like that. And then draw the other ear like that, and then draw another curve like that. And then let's draw the body. So do a curve like that, and then draw a little spike like that, and then do that, and then draw a little line like that, and then from there draw another spike, and then another spike there, and then connect this, and then we'll do the leg by doing a little curve like that, and then draw another curve right there like that, and draw like a little curve right here, because this part is going to be black, and do the same in this little paw like that. And then here draw a little curve like that, and then go up, and then do a curve here and draw the other leg. And leave a little space right here. And then draw the other leg like this, like that. And right here, draw a curve. And right here, draw a spike, then another spike, and then just curve in like that. And then from here, just curve it in right there, like that. And then draw those two little curves right there. And then let's draw the tail. So do two curves like that, and then do this big shape like that, and then go back down, and then do the same shape like that. And then let's draw some details on the tail by doing two curves like that, then two other curves right here, then draw two more right here, like that. And now let's do the grass because we have green. So do zigzags like we did in the other videos. Like that. And then let's draw little flowers by doing two little lines like that. Then draw a little leaf like that, and then draw another leaf at that over here. And then draw two little lines in the leaf so it looks more like a leaf. And now draw a circle like that because we have yellow, and we're gonna use yellow for the sun. So draw petals around it like that. And then let's draw another one over here. And if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. Draw a petal everywhere like that. And draw the leaves too, like that. And I'm not sure if I have a lot of room for the sun, so I'll do it right here. I'm drawing the sun here because then the tail, if I put the sun over here, it will, I'll have to do it a half circle, so I wanted to do it here. So draw lines like that. Like that. And then let's draw a little line right in the tongue. So it looks more like a tongue. And now let's color. So let's color in the flowers first. So I'm gonna make this flower, I'm gonna color this flower light blue, and the other one will be pink. Like that. And then get yellow and color in the middle. Like that. And then get green and color in everything that's on the bottom. And now do that on this flower too, like that. And let's color in the middle yellow and use pink for the petals and the tongue. And I'm not gonna use pink for the inside of the ears because that's black. And now let's color in everything that's black. So, actually we're gonna not color this that black, because it's like that. And so do the same here. It's kind of like a light black or something. And here, color in that color too. And I'm using a black colored pencil, and I'm just pressing lightly so it looks like that color. And now let's color in this. And kind of press harder on the eyelashes so you can see better, like that. And then just keep coloring in. And do the same on these eyelashes. Press harder on them, like that. And on the paws you can press dark, because on the paws it's just normal black. So color in here, like that, and do the same on these. And then color in these. So I'm just putting black on, and I'm gonna put a little black inside. And actually you don't have to put black here, I just did a mistake. And right here I'm gonna put black too. So let's color in those. Like that. And now let's get this gray and color in the ones that are not black. So you can see that black, but it's fine. I just did a mistake, so it's fine. So color in these white spots. And then here you could press lightly, like that. And this one too. And don't color in this part because this part is gonna be white. And don't color in this part too. And now color in this part. And now color in this part. And don't color in this part because that part has to be black. And now let's color in the grass. And now let's color in the sun. And that's how to draw a cute raccoon. So bye everyone, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.